Spring is back in the Northeast, and Lemus Construction is out and about, kicking off the season with plenty of projects and new communities filling the schedule and keeping residents happy. Hunter's Chase Apartments in Marlton, New Jersey is just the beginning, allowing us to showcase our skills and dedication to our craft for this charming community. The neighborhood is conveniently located right off Route 70. It's just minutes from Marlton Square and Cherry Hills shopping and dining. This area offers both convenience and a peaceful, wooded environment. To maintain that serene ambiance, we're making exterior improvements. These enhancements boost both the beauty and functionality of the homes using GAF's Timberline HDZ line of shingles in a weathered wood color. We worked hand in hand with our longtime partners at Scully Property Management. Our crews made quick progress on the roofs and trim. They installed this top-of-the-line GAF shingle, which is manufactured right here in New Jersey. Their weathered wood color adds exceptional depth and dimension with patented shadow bands, giving each roof a distinct look that complements the community's natural surroundings. The choice material not only improves the curb appeal, but ensures the much-needed long-term protection against the harsh Northeast elements for years to come. Our experienced project manager, Wilson, oversaw every step of the work on site to ensure crew tasks and equipment were moving along to maximum efficiency. With support from fellow project manager Daniel, the two were quick to keep the JCB and Equipter specialty vehicles running clean up, lifting pallets to the roof, and safely managing all the debris and trash carefully to be taken off-site and recycled. They kept the crews guided on their goals and concentrated on the improvements at hand. From tear-off to installation, our crews worked amongst a beautiful skyline of South Jersey. Focused on protecting the properties from damage and with precise installation of quality materials. From these heights, we're there to ensure the safety of residents, as well as from any potential falling debris, with specialized equipment and handmade mechanisms so no windows or small gardens get harmed. Every step of the process, from the tools we use to the cleanup procedures at the end of the day, reflects our commitment to quality and professionalism. This project at Hunter's Chase demonstrates exactly how a professional team should execute your project's roof replacement. At Lemus Construction, every roof tells a story of craftsmanship, reliability, and respect for the people who call these spaces home.